Hello guys, this is my mouse. This is the model name is Asus M2 gaming mouse. The device complete with part 15 of the FCC rules. Okay, model number GM AORUS M2. Rating 5V 100 MHz. This is made in China. इसका EMI नंबर जो है SN215335000520. This is looking so gorgeous, awesome stability, awesome looking and smooth, so smooth. This is my keyboard. Keyboard is Asus gaming keyboard. This is the looks very comfortable. This is so adorable keyboard I have ever seen. Or that is another Logitech mouse. This is also gorgeous looking, and the model name is M90 MNMUQ026 PN8100002148 SN2051SS0177X8. Rating 5.0 V and the power of 100 MHz. Wow. Class 1 LED product. Can ICS 3. Okay, Logitech Europe SA 1015 Lawrence CS. Wow, this is look also awesome, and this is nice, smooth, so smooth. Back part is awesome. This is the PC configuration, the GeForce RTX, the hilarious of able to see the look, the parts of RAM. This is the RAM. This is the RAM, and this is the boost cooling fan. The most adorable service.